You can suppose using QO100 satellite, Qatar Amateur Radio Society, they have launched it. Using that satellite, freely you can communicate 200 countries. Wherever you go, in the mid of the forest, Mount Everest, sitting in Mount Everest also. So now one by one, slide by slide, I will tell you now, amateur community, yeah, it is a service of self-training, exchange of communication with a solely with a personal aim and without having any pecuniary interest. Please, next slide, please. Yes. So it is a scientific innovating experimentation, self-learning, exchange of communication. And then next slide, please. These are all definitions for amateur radio. Yeah, he is the person, Marconi. Everybody should have his photograph. Today, whatever technology we are enjoying, satellite communication, the origin is his idea. Electromagnetic waves. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this is the button, huh? Yes, okay. Understood. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Those days already Oersted invented. He found current carrying conductor develops magnetic field, and scientists started a reverse engineering. When we able to produce a magnetic field around the current carrying conductor, why cannot we in a reverse direction from the magnetic field to current? They started a reverse engineering. Ultimately, they have succeeded. So that is the reason dynamo has been invented. And then Marconi is something in a different manner. He was thinking, why can't this electromagnetic waves can't be used for communication? When you are sending electricity through a conductor, it produces a magnetic field. When a steady current produces magnetic field, when you are sending a varying current, what happens? Varying magnetic field. When the frequency of this current reaches some kilohertz, megahertz, then what happens? Some part of the energy will be detached and traveling in the air at the speed of light speed, 3,20,000 kilometers per second.
Just 1 minute. I want to interact with the students because they are discussing with each other. Just 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Actually, we are conducting this workshop only for the sake of the student benefit, for giving some kind of awareness regarding disaster management. Okay, so everyone has to listen with utmost silence. Observe that the last bench students are continuously talking. So please listen this one carefully, and right now we are going to represent the Department of ECE in front of the people who are coming from outside. Is it clear? Okay. Please keep quiet. Sir will continue the session. Okay. And after that, we will interact with some other eminent people. Please wait and listen with patience, with utmost pin drop silence. Okay. And until we give the clear instructions, you have to stay here only. It's just a 2 hours or 2.5 hour session. Okay. Until further instructions, everyone needs to be here only. Got it? Sir, please carry.
Thank you, madam. So thus, the invention of generators and later Marconi further Why can't we utilize electromagnetic waves for the communication? He has succeeded in his attempt making spark to gap transmitter in those days itself. So now, yes, these are the scientists, heads, Armstrong and Marconi. You may be finding why ham is called. You can take the first letter from the heads H, A from Armstrong, M for Marconi. These are the three scientists developed ham radio. So that is why we can say one way or other, but I cannot say this is the correct thing, but one way we can understand like that also. These are the three scientists are the responsible persons for inventing wireless communication. Now we are enjoying crores of people world through the electromagnetic waves. You can imagine if anything happens, communication fails, whole world will come to a standstill. So these are the people we have to put their photographs in our house. Star plus or star minus, all wireless communication, even cell communication. How you are able to communicate from your cell to from your smartphone to tower? How it is reaching? Using this electromagnetic waves only. Yes, and this is the spark gap transmitter. Those days, this is the crude model. Marconi. So with this, he has shown world few thousand kilometers. He sent the signal. Later, many things have developed. Diodes, triodes. With the invention of triode, Sir Leedy Forrest, who invented a triode, amplification has started. Signal amplification. So that is the main cause, root cause after tetrode, pentodes. So valves has started. We started our communication. Ionosphere, how many people will ask, wherever you go, how you are able to communicate? Is there any satellite? Of course, satellite communication is also there, something other. But with the existence of this ionosphere, we are able to communicate all over world. So how you can see, ionosphere is a ionized region. All the gases, they will be charged due to the sun energy. They will form layers: D layer, E layer, F layer. The nearest layer is D layer, that is responsible for the short distance communication. And then you can see how signals are touching D layer and coming back to earth. The electromagnetic wave between earth and ionosphere, it will move like a ball. Sometimes, so signal, it touches the ionosphere, and again ionosphere is the charged particles, it sent back the wave to the earth. Again earth is also good reflector, sends back to ionosphere. So thus the wave moves like a ball between earth and ionosphere. So long distance communication is possible. The signal from the earth transmitter to ionosphere and coming back to earth, that is called one hop. Using multi hops, long distance communication is possible. You can you may be thinking how much time it will take. If you say hello through the wireless, it will go around the world 8 times at the speed of 3,20,000 kilometers per second. Instant communication, no delay. Instant communication. If I say hello, so this is the way this ionosphere is helping to have a long distance communication, instant communication, and you can clearly understand propagation of the HF communication, from the earth, ground waves, sky waves, all these waves are there. And further you can understand how ionosphere is helping. Ionized region, say spreading from 80 kilometers to 500 kilometers in different layers. So these ionosphere, it is acting like a mirror, radio mirror, helping us to have the long distance communication. But 3 to 30 megacycles, whatever frequency is there, high frequency, that so ionosphere is helping. If you increase the frequency, what happens? If you're crossing 30 megacycles, it will penetrate the ionosphere and going into the sky. Only again to send for sending back that electromagnetic wave back to earth, you have to use a satellite. Yes, these are the electronic components. They are available freely in the market now also, very, very cheap. And you can start building your own equipment. You may be thinking, some people are maybe thinking, it is very, very costly. You are all having a background of electronics. Whatever background you are having, using your background knowledge, you can start assembling equipment. All these components are very, very cheap. You may be thinking that resistors, 10 NP, PFs, all are something less than 10 NP. If you go for bulk purchase, diodes, 1 rupee, all are very, very cheap. You can start doing some experimentation. So black diagram of receiver. So black diagram receiver, RF amplifier, mixer, IF amplifier, detector, AF amplifier, loudspeaker, again heterodyne oscillator, BFO, additionally BFO, beat frequency oscillator. This is the beat frequency oscillator will helps us to receive SSB signal, single sideband signal. Without this BFO, you cannot receive the signal, SSB signal. So by adding a BFO, your ordinary radio can be utilized. You can convert this one as a receiver. A ordinary radio receiver also can be converted. BFO, you may be thinking this BFO using 455 kilohertz simply. By investing just 50 rupees, ordinary radio, transistor radio can be converted to a radio receiver. Of course, this is the transmitter, black diagram of transmitter. Again, oscillator, buffer amplifier, RF power amplifier on one side, left side, and right side mic preamplifier, modulator, and then aerial matching unit. This is the basic fundamental of any circuit, transmitter and receiver. This is the antenna, simple antenna. This dipole antenna, you can construct any antenna for any frequency. The formula is 468 by frequency in megahertz. By calculating for 40 meter, 7 megacycles. Yes, 7 megacycles. It comes around 66.6 feet. 33.3 feet one side and another side 33.3 feet, and connecting a cable, coaxial cable, RG58. Inner side one side and outer side one side, it will works like an antenna. This is the antenna, wherever you go will carry. When the communication failed, total communication, Bhubaneswar, there is no other alternative communication. When all communication fails, real challenge emerges. Bhubaneswar was cut off entirely with the rest of the world in the super cyclone. Then we were carrying this antenna Self-made antenna. These are also self-made. Proudly you can say, amps. We build ourselves. So we installed on the secretariat, top of the secretariat, Bhubaneswar. We started our operation. So you can also build this antenna. Very interesting subject.